Live.
This is going live.
Oh, and we're live. We're
We're
live now.
live? Hello,
Yes.
everybody. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another stream video, a coding session with me, Josh,
Me, Adam.
and today we're going to be doing a simple project, a 21 card game. Now, this card game, yes, it derives from a gambling game that you see in casinos, but we do not condone any gambling necessities or needs here. This is just a family-friendly game. Um, that we wanted to do because the logic is very simple, the rules also very simple. It's just a fun thing we can do for as a project, learning, Python.
Yes, we are not endorsing any form of gambling or use of money or anything in this live stream. Just trying
Nothing
to
like
make a
that.
fun card game.
Yes, exactly.
Um, so for those of you guys who do not know what 21 is, it's a simple card game where the objective of the game is to uh, draw cards from the deck and have the highest possible value without getting past 21.
Hmm.
You're playing it against the dealer. So you draw some cards until you want to stop drawing cards. If you go over 21, you lose. And then the dealer draws some cards until they stop drawing cards. And then if they go over 21, they lose. And then after that, whoever has the highest value wins.
Hmm. Exactly.
Yes.
All
So
right.
should we go ahead and get started?
Should we get started? Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna make create a random number basically, right?
Yeah.
So in blackjack, or I'm sorry, in 21, in
So
21,
someone says in the chat that they like gambling.
they're like,
It's
well, you do you.
not good.
You, you,
Not endorsed.
you do you. But so here's the thing. So in 21, there are 13 cards, right? There's the ace, there's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen,
King.
king. Yes. I don't know why I brain farted there. Okay, anyway, there's 13 cards, right? So basically what we're going to want to do is that we're going to want it to randomly generate a number between 1 and 13, right? So in order to do that, we need to use a library called random. It's very simple to import it or to get it. It's just putting import and then random. Very simple. And
Mm-hmm.
basically, all I'm doing here is I'm telling the compiler, hey, I am importing a library and its name is random, and I want to access all its methods. So what we could do now is that we could say random dot rand, and we can see that all these methods are here, like rand int, random, or rand range, which is what we want, right? And then
Yeah.
in the signature or in the the parentheses, we're gonna want to put whatever number we want to go to, right? So we want to go to 13, right? But see, here's the thing about random range. It's zero-based index. Now, if you guys remember what that means, all that means is that it starts from 0 instead of 1, right? So we're gonna have to put that +1 value to make it go from 1 to 13. And then like that we can,
Wait. Why plus one?
because look, let me show you guys. Because basically what happens is if we go from if we go to random range from 13, it's just gonna go from 0 to 12, and we don't want that. We want the actual 1 through 13, because eventually what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a list of all those cards, and we're gonna access them through there. That's
Yeah.
basically what's gonna
But
happen.
the list of cards is also zero index too, right?
Yes,
So we
it
could just
is.
keep the zero index random range.
um,
Also,
I guess we
people in
can
the chat are asking for a face reveal.
a face reveal.
Unfortunately, Josh does not have a webcam
I do not.
face thingy.
I do not
Uh,
have a camera. Nope.
but
Sorry about that, guys.
we might do a face reveal if we get to 100 subscribers. Maybe. Don't quote me on that.
Maybe. Okay, let's make the list of cards right now. Oops, that is not how you do it here. So we got an ace, right?
Yeah.
Got two. Then we got three. We got four. That's five. Four.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got five. Then we we got 6. Okay. And keep going, keep going. Remember, this is gonna be
7.
like the whole like deck where we're gonna choose the cards from,
A little
right?
tedious, right?
It is a little bit tedious, but thankfully it's the only time we have to do this, right? Jack, Queen, and then last but not least, the King. Right, so those are all the cards in the deck. Right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make card equals random not range from 13, and then from there we can do we can access the list, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can do
Maybe we just
um,
try to print out a random item from
the
the list.
random number on the list, right? So we could
Yeah.
do uh let's
So we
actually
just
make
print.
another list for the player hands, right? Because we need
Well,
that
this is yeah.
player hand, just so we have a place to aggregate it, or player cards, not hand. Okay, so the card, right? You random range. So then we could do, um, we could
We could
do,
just add that into player cards, right? Like player cards dot append
yeah, player
cards,
cards dot append, and then we can do cards,
and
and
then
then
the
card.
card value.
Hmm.
Yeah. So what this
Just
is
like
doing,
that.
it's finding it's grabbing a random number from 0 to 12, and then it is finding that part from the array of all the possible choices, and then it's adding that to the player cards array.
Yes,
So now
exactly.
when we push print,
So if we run, we get the value 7.
woo,
So
and if we
let's
push,
debug real quick. I just want to show them real quick
okay, yeah,
how it works. So remember F5 to debug, you can always have a breakpoint there, right? Okay, so we got card, right? Cards is a list completely. Then we have player cards. This is the thing we're gonna add to. You know, this is your hand, your deck, right? So basically, what's gonna happen here is there's gonna be a random number, right? That will go into card, and we can see that number is 5. So what happens here? We're gonna say, okay, I want you to append to this list, which has nothing in it, and I want you to go into cards, and I want you to find the fifth value of it, and the fifth value seems like it's 6. So what happens when you run it and then you print? There you go. 6 becomes the value. Just like that. Very
yes.
simple. That's all it does. So what else do we have to do here? Okay, so once we find the print player cards,
So now we got this. This is giving us a random card every time, right?
right. So now let's do,
Should we just make a method that's like get random card or something?
yes, we should, or get card actually.
Yeah, let's get card.
So dev
So
get
we're making a new method right here,
get
right?
card, right? And then we're gonna have this here
And it's just going to return the uh,
and return card.
well, we just want to return card, right? The value.
What do you mean?
We like don't want to return the
The
card
player
from
cards?
no like the thing inside the parentheses after append cards.
This cards card?
Yeah, or should we just return the number?
I think we should return the number,
Okay, yeah, let's just return. Okay, let's.
right? No,
Yeah,
you're right. No,
no,
no, no. You're right. You're right. You're right. That is not okay. Cards, card, because that's the value inside the cards.
yeah,
Okay, so there, and then we can make. Remember, once you have a return value here, you need to make that method into a variable, right? So we can say card equals get card, like that, right?
yeah. So now this new
So
card
now
uh, variable. It's just grabbing a new card every time, and we'll just print the card.
we just print card, and then we got 9, just like that. So we got a 9. So that's that. Let's
Now
see.
what do we do? Okay, so now we want
Okay, so
to.
we're getting the cards now. That's great.
Uh-huh.
So now we need to make some sort of loop, right? In order for it to keep going, or
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we could do. Let's make a while loop real quick, right?
Yeah. So now we have
So
it. Okay.
while true, right? I want you to get card. Card equals get card. right? Because we're gonna keep
Uh-huh.
getting the card, right? Obviously. And then I want you to print the card. So what this should do is that actually it's gonna run forever, isn't
It's gonna run forever.
it?
Yeah. Uh.
So what we could do instead, we can make it say, I don't know, if the length of player cards.
Why don't we just like do like a short like for loop that like draws like 5 cards from the deck or
A
something?
for loop? Okay, yeah, I like
Yeah,
that.
it's like a
I like
four. Yeah,
it's 4 I in range of 5. You said
5. Yeah.
okay.
So in this case, we're just drawing 5 cards just to demonstrate that we can draw cards from the deck.
So basically, all I did here was that I said, okay, I want you to get a card and I want you to return the value of it. And basically, what I'm going to do with that value, I'm going to add it to this list, which is our deck. And then I want you to print our deck from it. That's basically all I did here. Then we print. Oh yeah, duh.
Yeah.
Let's
So
not put it in the for loop. Let's
oh,
put it.
afterwards.
Yeah, so we get the whole thing because it's going through each and every single value. So let's run it. There we go. We got a 9, a jack, king, 6, and a 2. So there you go. That's how we're getting the cards. Okay, so we're able to get the cards now. So what should we do? Should we do the hit thing, the hit pat or hit stay thing, really quick?
Um, let's why don't we make like a little loop that just gives the player 2 cards right now.
Okay. So we can just,
So yeah, so the beginning of the game, 21, you get the player's dealt 2 cards.
mhm.
Maybe we start with like we make like a game handler
A game
thing like
handler
we had
thing.
last time.
Okay. So let's make it def. What do we do? Start game.
Our game, yeah. So we're borrowing this from the thing we did last time, where we have this main function that we call, and it has all of the stuff that we want to do that sort of executes the game, the brains of the whole thing.
Right. So at the start of the game, we need to make a for loop. Basically this. Right.
Yeah.
Oops. Let me put all of this. That. Right. So
Mhm.
start game. What I want you to do. Okay. So we get 2 cards. Then after those 2 cards, we want to ask that question, right?
Well, yeah. So we display the cards, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then
So after the for loop, we could do print player cards, right? Like that.
mhm.
And then we can ask for an input if you want.
You want another card.
Yes. Answer equals input. Do you want another card? Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then let's just do a quick if and else, right? If answer dot
Enter.
lower, always want to put lower just in case they go capital like me. Answer dot lower
Yes.
equals to yes. Then I want you to get card, right?
Hmm.
Or actually, we're gonna be doing the same thing here, aren't we? So why
Yeah.
don't we
Maybe we
make
should
that
put
a
that down.
method
Uh-huh. So
instead? Because we don't, guys, we don't want to repeat code a lot in when you're programming because sometimes it could be a little messy and it just goes everywhere, right?
yeah.
So player, what should we call it?
Um.
Getting player card, get player card,
Or get. Let's see. No, it's like it's giving the player a new card, right?
right? So
So,
get player card, that works, right?
yeah. Yeah.
So let's put that here. Um,
Wait, shouldn't it be like give player card or something?
give player card. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get card.
I was gonna
So it runs
append the
there.
card in there.
Card. Yes. Okay.
Yes. So
So now
now
we can
every
just
time the loop runs,
call
we're just gonna give player card
give player card,
right there.
give player card, right? Just like that.
Hmm.
Wow, what happened there?
I don't know.
Okay, that's that. Else, we can say,
Pass. Right.
oh, pass. Okay, that's fine.
And then we
Was
can print after that.
you do like you want to do a print or pass?
Or like print after the thing. So like if they get a new card, then we print that, and if they don't, we print it anyways.
So print here.
Yeah,
What do we
and then
print
we
here?
can print like we could just print the player cards. Right?
Player cards. Okay. Okay. So let's run through it real quick. So we got two methods. This is to get the card from this deck, right? And then it's gonna return the value of that card. Now we got the other method, give player card. It's gonna get the card from this method, and it's gonna append it to this empty list. And now we have basically like the central station of all these methods, right? Where you have where you give the player two cards, right? In this little for loop. Then you print the deck, and then you give them an input saying, "Do you want another card?" And then we can say, if they say yes, then give them another card. Else, just pass, right? So let's do start game. Let's start it. Okay. Oh, it's because I is not being used as a variable, but yeah. All
Oh,
right.
that's fine.
So we
So,
got a 3 and a 5. Do you want
do we
another
want
card,
another?
Adam?
Yes.
You want to? Yes. He said yes. Look at that. 3, 5, and a Q. You want another card, Adam?
Well, we can't. I can't get another card
You can't? Oh, you're right.
because
Because we
it's
stopped it
only.
there. You're right. Because there's no loop.
So
So we should do a loop here, shouldn't we?
yes. So I guess what we can do is we can just do like a while loop,
Mm-hmm.
and we can keep asking them if they want another card, and if they say no, then we just break out of the while loop.
Yes, we could do that. So
Yeah.
let's say
Or we can put that in method too,
what? We could put one in the method.
like the player. So after the first two things, we do like the player's turn, right? And
Mm-hmm.
you keep asking the player if they want a new card or not.
Oh, we can make that a method. You're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we could say
Like
like
player turn or something.
player turn or
Yeah. Player,
okay, and then basically here we can ask the questions, right? That's what you're saying.
yeah. So
So answer.
while do a while loop, or we can do recursion to it.
Let's do a while loop. So
Okay.
while
True.
true, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna say um answer. This is where we put the answer, right?
Yeah.
Answer equals input. Instead of making, do you want another card? Let's say what they would really say, what the dealer would say. Will you
Will you?
hit or will you stay?
Again,
Right?
this is our family friendly 21 card game.
Yes, family friendly.
Also, be able to ask. This is all Josh's idea.
No, it wasn't.
This,
Okay, maybe it was because I thought it would be simple. Okay,
it's really simple.
I just thought it would be simple. Okay, so
So,
answer the lower equals
oh,
yes or hit actually instead of
hit.
yes. Give player card.
Yes.
Else
Stay. Else
stay
pass,
or
right?
else pass.
No,
Yeah.
we want to return. We want to break out of the method and want to go to the dealer's turn, right?
Yeah, so we can do instead of pass, we could just do break, right?
Or yeah, or we can just return and it'll just or
Or
break either
return.
one. Yeah.
So can you explain them why we're doing just return with an empty here instead of?
So basically, it's saying okay, the method is over, the player turn is over. So by saying return, we're going back to where it called the method. So in this case, we're calling it on line 27 right here, um, where it says player turn. And so it's saying, okay, we're done with the player's turn. Go back to and do whatever you have to do next on this in the start game method, which in this case is print player cards.
Okay, so yeah, we got a print player card as well. True. Answer give player card, right? That's right. Okay, let's try that. This should work. So let's go. Let's run it. Will you hit or will you stay? I want to hit. What's going? Oh, I never
What happened?
printed the values of the player cards. Let me
Oh.
do
So
that real quick.
at the reprint player card,
Here.
we want
Oh
to
wait, no. After
give play.
player card. Yeah, no, because it keeps doing it here. So print player cards. Because it's gonna be a while loop, right?
Yeah.
So yes, that's fine. Okay, want to hit. Boom, King 7 8. I want to
You know,
hit.
theoretically, we're over
I want to
21 now,
hit.
but we can keep
And
going.
I want to hit. And I
Uh,
want to hit. And I want to hit. And I want to hit. And I want to hit. I want to hit. But see, we get we get a different value each time, and that's what we want, right?
yes.
Um. So now that we got that, should
Um,
we?
we want to see if it's over 21, right?
We want to check that, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So let's put
Um,
that into a method.
I think the method we can call it like get deck value or something, or hand value.
Get hand value.
Yeah.
Get hand value. Right. Okay. So basically, what we could do. Oh, we need
Well, we need a card.
parameter here. So cards, right?
Yeah. So we feed it in some cards and we say, hey, we want the value of the cards.
So we're gonna say for card in cards, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then what can we do here? So
We have to handle special cases, right?
oh,
Now,
right.
okay. So in normal 21, what is ace? An ace card can be a 1 or an 11. However, uh, because we are playing with house rules, ace can only be 1, and it makes it significantly easier for us.
Mm-hmm.
But if you are coding a lot at home, I do suggest trying to make it so that your game can handle an ace being both a 1 and 11 up to the player's discretion.
Yeah, basically giving them a choice if they want it to be a 1 or 11. That's how it works.
Yeah.
So for carding cards, then we could do just if else's, right? So we
Yeah,
could
so
do like
if it's equal to ace,
if
card
if card equals
equals,
to, let's do A first, right?
yeah.
Card equals to A, then oh, we need to put a counter, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
In order
So
to
basically,
tally it up.
yeah. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to add up all the values of the cards in somebody's hand. But the thing is, the computer doesn't know what A is. It doesn't know that like A is supposed to be 1, or sometimes 11. Um, so we have to tell it, hey, if it's ace, we're just going to increment it by 1.
Mm-hmm.
Again, challenge at home. Try to see if you can do 1 or 11, depending on the player discretion. Else is, so if it's not an ace, if the card is in our special card variable that
Special
we just
cards.
created on line 4, uh, which basically means if it's in that list, if it's a jack, queen, or king, it's worth 10 points. So we're incrementing counter by 10 points.
Mm-hmm. And then else. And then we could do just counter plus equals the things inside and cast it into an int,
Yeah,
right? Int cards. That should work, right?
yeah.
Or no, int card instead, not cards, because cards is the actual list itself. Um, so yeah, that should be it. Um,
There we go.
should we return the counter? Duh.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna return the counter.
I knew I was missing something. Return counter, right?
Yeah.
Because we want the number back. So,
So in this case, after we give the player a card, we can just, if it's over 21, we can just break, right?
mm-hmm. So def give player card. Should we put in the while loop, or should we put in
Yeah, yeah,
this
yeah,
one
yeah. Under the print player cards, right?
under print
Or
player
above
card?
that, around there. Yeah.
Let's do below so we get the
Well,
latest, right?
yeah. So it prints the player cards, and then it says, "Hey, uh, get hand value," and
Of
if the
the
hand
player
value
cards.
is greater than 21, then we return false or something, or true or false, or
What?
I'm trying to
If
think.
value is greater than 21,
Uh-huh.
return false, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And else it'll return true.
Else
No, 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 no.
pass?
Under the other else. If yeah, we just pass. We don't have to put anything there.
Yeah.
But on line 37, should we return true for that?
Yeah, let's return true.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. All right.
Well, actually, you
So,
might want to swap those actually.
what do you mean?
So we could do like a if, and then we could do if player turn, and if it returns true, then we know the game's over.
If player turn?
Like so, on in our start game method.
Oh, yeah.
Um, you know how we have like the player turn being called on line 45.
Line 40. Uh-huh.
We can do like if player turn, and then if it returns true, we know the game's over.
If player turn and it
Then
returns true.
then whenever it returns true, we know the game's over. If we swap the true and false in line 35 and 37.
So we could just do game over.
Yeah, and if
So
it's false, then it does then it keeps going. That's it. But we have to swap the true and false on line 35 and 37.
35 and 37. You're right.
Right. So if it's over 21, it returns true, and if it's under, that means yeah,
Okay. Yes, I see where
correct.
you're
Right.
going. So
Let's
let's make
do
the
a
game
game over
over.
method.
Yeah. Let's do game.
Like
Right now, let's put a
oh,
pass in it for now,
or yeah, or maybe print out like
or
you
print.
lost, scary face, sad face.
Yes.
Interesting
Okay.
face.
Um.
Oh, we have two more people who have joined in the live stream.
Nice. Welcome everybody. Okay. So player turn. Game over.
Somebody's also hating on our house rules.
Someone's hitting our house rules.
House rules are the best. I don't know what you're talking about. They
Yeah, bro.
prolong the game. They make it harder for you to play with any of your friends because you're so used to playing with your house rules. But like,
And then we could do player cards.
yeah,
Oh wait, I already have a print there. I'm dumb.
it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it now.
Woo!
Ace and a three. So we got four. What do you want to do, Adam?
Hit.
You want to hit? Let's hit then. Ooh.
Got 13. Why not hit?
Wow.
So
Wow.
if we push stay now, it should just return false, and it should just print the cards to end the thing, right? Yeah, it'll
Yes.
just end the thing. Now, if we go through and play again, and we hit until we get over 21,
Yes. So we go hit. I want to hit. You
and it goes over
lost. There
because
it
you
goes.
lost. Oh, sad face.
I love that face. Okay, so now we got that.
Okay, so now that we can check to see if the game's lost. Now,
Actually, while I show this, I'm gonna put I'm gonna print the value, your hand value,
oh,
so that they can see like why they lost.
yeah, yeah.
You know.
Hmm.
So let's see if that works. So I want to hit. I want to. Oh, there you go. That
Oh,
was
oh,
immediate.
you lost
Okay, there you go.
very quickly.
So there it is.
Maybe we can make the terminal a little bigger.
Oh, you're right. Do you want me to put
Make
it to
it
the
easy.
side? I could put it to the side if you want.
Yeah, let's just put it to the side.
Uh,
Make it easier for y'all to
there we
y'all to
go.
see.
I'm so used to it being in the bottom. That's why.
Yeah.
That's on me. My bad. Um. Okay. So
So
we
now we
got the
have
whole
that.
21 thing, right? So that's good.
Now the dealer has to play, right?
The dealer has to play. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So what can we do here?
Let's make it. So we're gonna make the same thing like we have how we have a player cards list. We're gonna make a dealer cards list as well.
Yes. Dealer cards. Right. Empty list. There's nothing in it. Oops. Nothing in it. Right. Okay.
Hmm.
So now we can do def give dealer card. Right.
Yeah.
And what's that gonna do? Let's make it um
It's really the same as the give player cards method.
card equals get card. Right.
Hmm.
And then from there we could do dealer cards dot
Yeah.
append and then the card.
You know, you might notice if you're watching that this is very similar to the method above it. So if you are
Yeah.
trying to program at home, we do recommend trying to combine them together. We won't for this to sake of,
I mean, we
but we might.
could.
We probably should.
We probably
But
could.
why don't we?
Well, let's not. Yeah, let's do that. So
Okay, so,
we could do give card,
yeah, and it
right?
takes in the.
And then card equals get card, right?
Hmm.
And then we do and then we could do whatever array we want. So cards, and then we could do
Uh,
cards dot append, and then
card.
card
We should get rid of the
card.
S.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a little bit confusing.
So it's grabbing
Alright.
card, and then it's inputting it into
Yeah,
it.
whatever value here, whatever list this is, it will append that card.
So that
So
means we can get rid of the get player cards, get
yeah,
dealer cards.
so give player card, we could just say instead of that, we could just say give card, and then this is the player, right?
Hmm.
Player cards. There we go, just like that.
And we have some more down.
We do. Okay, let me just. I'm just gonna comment these out. Okay, If we have more, where? Oh, right here,
Down
right?
below. Yeah.
I could say gift card to player cards. Is there any more? No, right? I think that's it. Do you
I
see
think
any
so.
more? There's no more. I think we got them all. Okay, let's try it now. Hopefully it doesn't complain. Please don't complain. There you go. That still works. We hit,
Okay.
and then we hit, and then we. There we go. You lost.
Oh, you lost. Sad face. Okay.
That looks more like an angry face than a sad
Yeah, that's what I
face,
was
to be
thinking.
honest. Okay, so
Someone says the word card sounds weird now.
the word card,
Oh, just keep looking at it. It might look weird to you too.
card.
Card.
It
A
puts you in a
card.
hypnosis.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, so we got that. We got that. We got that. Now let's do we're doing the dealer one, right?
uh-huh.
Okay.
So we have a dealer hand, and then we
So
want
where
a
should we
dealer
put
turn.
this? Yeah, dealer turn.
Just a
So
whole new method called dealer turn, I guess, right?
okay.
Because we want to, because it's like it's a 2-turn uh game essentially, right? Like the
Mm-hmm.
player takes a turn, and then the dealer takes a turn, and
Right.
then the game ends. The round ends essentially.
So what we could do is um
Um, so the dealer keeps drawing until their hand gets to 17 or above, right?
right.
Get card,
So
or get card value, get hand value.
wait, what?
We want to do a get hand value,
Well,
right?
we want to get the cards first, right? Before we
Oh,
get
oh, oh, for the dealer card.
yeah, for the dealer.
Yeah.
So if um this is the hand value, right? Get hand value.
Oh shoot.
What? What?
Um,
What?
we have to. When we just go down to our main method, after we draw like the first 2 cards for the player, we should draw the first 2 cards for the dealer, right?
Oh, yes.
So maybe on line 51 or something, we could do another for loop.
Another for loop.
Yeah,
So
like for
put this for I in range of. They get 2 as well, right?
yeah.
Give card to dealer cards, just like that, right?
I think
And
yes.
there.
See,
Uh-huh.
this we use the method, so it makes it easier.
Now we can do dealer turn. We can still hear if is greater than, what is it, 17, right?
Yes.
If it's greater than 17, then I want you to
Just pass.
pass.
Mm-hmm.
Else, get card.
While we're gonna do while loop though, right?
In the dealer turn, yeah.
Yeah. So else while it's.
While
Oh yeah.
true, right?
Yeah.
All true. I want to do this.
Also, we want to return out of line 31.
Return false, right?
Uh huh.
And else get cards. We don't need it to return anything.
Yeah.
It's
And
fine.
then we want to have a statement underneath that where if it's greater than 21, it returns true.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you say it again? Sorry.
We want to have a statement underneath that where if it's greater than 21, it returns true, right?
Oh, yeah. We need to do
Like
else if.
right underneath the well, no, right underneath the give card. So after it gives the card, it's like, hey, if it's greater than 21, just return true.
Wait, return false.
No, return. Well, it's true that it's so we could do the same if thing. Like from like the like the player turn has that.
Oh, oh, right.
Yeah.
Right. So while true, the value is greater than 21, then return true. Right. Return
Should
false.
we
That's true.
print out the cards as we draw them?
For the dealer?
Yeah. Oh
No,
no,
we gotta do it at
yeah.
the end. Because remember, the player doesn't see the dealer's deck until the very end.
Yeah, but the dealer turn is called at the very end, right?
Yes, you're right. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So like
dealer cards like that, right?
don't we want to move it into while loop?
Put it in the while loop.
So hey, they draw a card. Hey, they draw a card. Hey, they draw a card.
You want to do it like that? Okay,
Or maybe I don't know. Yeah.
that's fine. Yeah, we could do that. Right here, right?
Yeah.
Or should we do it before actually?
Let's do it before actually. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
That way it displays it and then it breaks it.
Yep. Okay, and then we do the same thing here.
Hmm.
If oh wait, no, we don't need to put an if for them.
Did we just call it dealer turn?
Yeah, just call it. I think because we wouldn't need to um say game over or anything for them.
But if it returns true, then like it is game over, but like they win.
So do we say if dealer turn
If dealer turn and
and then what?
then should we call game one?
Game one, you win.
Yeah.
Let's just go with
Or
you win.
we just do print you win.
You win. Then we could do. There we go.
Okay, I don't know what that looks like.
Like let's just take out the eyebrows.
There we go.
The eyebrows are killing it. Okay. Should work,
Let's do it.
right?
Let's try it.
Okay. Will you hit or will you stay? What are you doing, Adam?
Hit.
Hit. Will you hit
Okay,
or will you
let's
stay?
stay. Stay ready.
Stay.
Stay.
13. Oh, it's because we didn't compare the values.
Well, let's see. In this case, the dealer got to. They only got to 13.
Dealer got to 13.
Why didn't they keep drawing?
Because probably the next value would have been like a high number.
No, but like they should have kept drawing, right? Like until they got to 17.
Yes, but
Maybe-
remember, there could have been another number.
Oh, and it just didn't display it.
Yeah. Oh, wait. I put greater than 17. It's supposed to be less than, isn't it?
No, if it's greater, it returns false. Wait.
It's supposed to be less than.
No. The on the in the terminal output, the thing above that, I think that might be the dealer. No, that's our deck. The last second to
Last one is our deck,
last
yes.
one's our deck. The one above that's dealer's deck.
So, it's 15. There's 19.
Maybe we should make methods for printing out the decks so that way we know which one is which.
Maybe. I think we should
Like
do that,
we
shouldn't
have a
we?
print dealer deck and a print player or print player hand and print dealer hand.
Okay. So, do you want to do. Okay, so get card, give cards, right? Get hand
Yeah.
value. That's fine. Dealer turn. So, in dealer turn, while true. Uh huh. Should it be less than 17? No,
Yeah,
wait.
I think greater
That's
17
fine.
works.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Def player turn. While true, will you hit or stay? Hit. Yes. Okay. So basically, what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna make. Um.
Should we make some clean it up a little bit before we move so it's
We
a
should.
little easier? Yeah.
I'm just trying to
Hey,
see where we can like. Excuse me. Or we can like clean up the code so it's easier to read.
Uh
Because right now I'm looking at a bunch of if and else's and I don't know what's going on. So
yeah.
I feel like we could clean up this start game for sure.
Well, right now at the beginning, maybe we should probably comment our codes. Good
What do you mean?
programming practice. Good programming practice. The comment the code. So like on from lines 54 through 59, we're just giving you and or yeah, giving the player and the dealer 2 cards each, right?
Yeah. I think what we should do, we should put all of this in a while loop.
Together.
Everything in start game in a while. And then we
Well,
say if the length of the player cards is less than 2, you know, then I want you to do 2 turns. And then there we can make both of them do a turn
Can we just put
instead
them
of
both of them in the for loop then?
yes, in the while loop.
Oh, and the while loop is just counting to 2?
Oh no, you're right. We could just put them all in the both in the for loop. So
For loop,
for
yeah.
I in range of 2, right?
Yeah.
And then there we could say gift card. Is it gift card?
Yeah, gift
Yeah,
card.
gift card player cards, and then
And
gift
gift card
card
dealer.
dealer cards, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. And then from there, okay, now we could just comment these guys out. We don't need them anymore. And then from there, we could say that's it, right?
Yeah, we want to
Mhm.
print the cards afterwards, right?
Oh yeah. Afterwards, we want to print player cards.
Yeah. Do we want to
Um,
print the dealer cards too? We have to use
um,
like a special thing to only show one of the cards, right?
only show one of the cards. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. Maybe we make some methods that print out the dealer and the player cards.
Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. You're right. You're right. Okay. So let's do print dealer choice. Is that a good? Is that a good
Dealer
method?
choice?
Print dealer choice.
What do you mean?
I mean dealer cards. I'm sorry, not choice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Print dealer
Cards.
hand.
Hand, yeah.
Hand. I like hand better.
Um,
And
yeah.
then okay. So what we're gonna do print. We're gonna tell them like, hey, this is the dealer's deck.
Uh-huh.
Dealers. Uh, let's. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Dealers deck. That should work, right? I
Yes.
think.
So for those of you guys who are wondering why Josh did that, because he has the single quotes for his string, he has to have a backward slash before the apostrophe. Otherwise, the program will treat it as another single quote and kind of
Yeah.
also.
So if I don't put that thing there, it's gonna say, oh wait a minute, what happened to this?
Yeah.
Right. So in order to do that, it will print this out and then it'll leave all of this inside. Right.
Yeah.
So for carding
But,
cards, we want to print the card, right? So print
card.
F,
Yeah.
and then we could do. Let's put it in. Let's make it a little bit more like presentable. Let's put it into like that thing. And we put card there. No, not cards.
Card.
Card.
Okay.
And then after that, um, because we only want to show the first one, right?
Well, it's only for like the first time. Like we also like at the end as the dealer is taking its turn, like later on in the game, we want to display the whole thing, right?
hmm
So maybe we'll be adding like a parameter, like if it's like the first time.
If first time.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so we could do like if. Uh, so first of all, let's make the parameter.
So we can
First time
have a second parameter in our method right here, right?
false.
First
Yeah,
time.
false.
And basically
This is a
what we're
set
thinking,
one.
it's a default. The default is
hmm
false unless we define it as something else. So if first time. Uh,
And then here we can put the question. Let's make it a question mark.
yeah. So we want to show that the second card is unknown.
Ominous. And then
Basically, when you're playing 21, like so you get the two cards that you have face up. The dealer gets one card that's face up and one card that's face down.
oops.
Do we have to indent that in the for loop?
What do you mean?
The if statement.
Indented? What do you mean?
Doesn't have to be in the for loop.
What doesn't have to be in the for loop? Oh, you're
It-
right. You're right. You're right. You're right. My bad. I didn't see that. There you go. Okay. That should be it, right? For the dealer.
It's 943 or 941. You have to have the end component, so it doesn't go
Oh
from
yeah, the
X.
end thing. Yeah, we need that. Just the space, right? Oh no,
Uh,
just this.
yeah, yeah,
And then same thing here.
yeah. I think maybe.
Oops, that's not the right one. Okay, so that's the to print the dealer hand. Now we'll do the player hand,
Hmm.
right? So
Should be very similar to that, except it doesn't have the first time thing.
print def print player hand. All right, and then
Oh, Josh should really be defining these methods above their turns.
you're right. You are absolutely right. You are
I,
absolutely right.
Otherwise, we would encounter some very, very nasty
Mm-hmm.
problems.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We also need to move the print dealer hand up later. But
Yeah, we
yeah,
do. Player hand. So we want to print, and we could say, "This is your deck,"
your deck.
or that, and then we put the end thing, right?
Oh,
And
we did that in line 39 too. The end thing.
39. Oh, yes, we do.
Yes.
Why is there a big space here?
I don't know. I think you. I don't think
Why
that's
did
the
I put
space.
it twice? That was bothering me. Okay. Okay, so now we do the same thing, right? So for card in cards. Alright, and then we do print, and then, yeah, format it. And then we could put that cosmetic there, and then we put card, like that. Then we do the end thing again. Here
We
we
don't
can
need it
do,
first time.
yeah, so we can
And
just
that's
do
it. And then we just
print.
print.
Yeah.
So that should work. Now we
Well,
have
we
to
didn't
replace
call
all.
it. Now we gotta call it. So we can call that
On line 73.
73. Yes. What's it called? What did I call them again?
Print player hand.
Print, print, player
Player.
hand, and then print dealer hand, right?
Yes. But then this time, first time equals true. Also, we have to feed in the cards.
I'm sorry,
Wait,
what?
why are we feeding in on line 47? Or not line.
47.
You know how like in dealer? No, not the method above that. Print dealer hand. You see how we're feeding in the cards parameter?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Do we have to feed in the cards parameter?
yeah, we do.
Okay.
Because we need to know that is the dealer's deck. Because it's specific to the dealer.
Yeah.
Right, so print player hand would be player
Player card
cards. And then print dealer hand would be dealer
dealer.
cards. And then it would be true.
True. This is the first time we're printing.
Okay.
And then in our player turn,
And then
at the very end,
at the very end,
line
player turn.
89. On 89,
Oh,
we're printing.
we could do print player hand, player cards. Like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I think we still have some more to swap out. I think maybe.
We do?
And on the player turn and dealer turn
Player
method.
turn. Ah. Print player hand, player cards. Like that. Right? Let's just copy this, put that above here.
So yeah, for those guys who are wondering, we're putting it above because we have to define the method before we call it. And in dealer turn, do we want to print the dealer cards as well?
Dealer turn, where is that? Oh yeah. Print dealer hand. Put
All
dealer
right.
cards in there. Okay. I think that's it, right?
Yes.
Am I not
So,
okay. Alright, let's run
done.
it. Whew, your deck.
Oh,
Hey,
look at that! Look, so this is your deck, Ace and 4, dealer's deck 2, and Mr. Rig.
ominous.
Will you hit or will you stay?
I want to hit.
Okay,
15.
we have 15.
I want to stay.
Okay, so the dealer's deck, uh, 2, it's 5. Your deck, so I think, let's see, the dealer got 17.
Isn't
Oh,
that
it should be
19?
greater. They got 19.
Yeah.
Also, I think it should be greater than or equal to 17. So I think
Greater
if they
than or
get to
equal to?
17, they also stop.
Greater than or equal to 17? Okay. Okay. Um, I mean, it works.
Yeah. So now it works,
Um,
and now we just have to check at the end for win-loss conditions, right?
the win-loss conditions you are correct. So Let's go to game over. All
No,
right.
at the in the main method, right?
In the main method.
Yeah. So like in dealer turn, if the dealer go over there, and then now after that, after the dealer turn if statement, if the dealer's card value is greater than yours, then it's game over as well. And if
Oh,
not,
right. Ouch. Okay, I know what you're saying. I know what you're getting. It's like conditionals saying like, hey, so if oh wait, underneath these guys, right here. So if player, wow, if player, where do we get the value?
uh,
How do
we
we
do not. Oh, well, we have
get hand value,
get
right?
hand value. Get hand value.
If okay, let's make them variables first of all. Player value.
Oh,
I'm sorry, what?
yeah, yeah. That's stretching.
And then dealer value as well. Get hand value, dealer cards. So if player value is less than dealer value,
Mhm.
right? Then print lose. Lors, that's not what I meant. Like that, right?
Yeah.
Else if player value
Equals.
it ends in a draw. You draw? Sure, why not? Let's
Not
play
you tie, but like you draw. Okay.
else, right? And then we can just do you win. There we go. Okay, and then that's it, right?
That's it. Yeah, should be it.
Cool. Okay,
You push run.
let's run it. Your deck,
Uh,
king and an ace. We got 11. Let's
uh,
hit.
yeah.
King ace.
Oh.
Oh,
Wait. Oh.
oh.
Okay. Technically, we've won.
We already won, actually.
Let's see. We're testing this out like beforehand. Writing some like sample code, trying to play around, and I don't think we've ever gotten blackjack. 21.
Adam.
Testing. So this is an
So,
interesting thing. We have to incorporate this in now.
well
So
then,
if the
the
player hand gets 21, do they win?
wow, that just came out of nowhere, didn't it? Okay. So, if player val, so we got to put another else if, right? Or
Like
can we do that earlier? We could do that earlier, can't we?
yeah,
In the
earlier.
player turn?
So if it equals 21 in the player turn,
Player turn. Where are you? There we go.
then we
So,
should return false, right?
yeah, else if value is equal to
Equals
21, return false,
or return it. Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
or return you win. No, print you win and then
Well,
return false, right?
yeah. Or maybe we no. What if we return true, and then it goes to game over, and then if game over, we check to see if it's great. If it's equal to 21, you win. Else you lost.
So here, right?
Yeah, right there. Yeah. So if it's equal to 21, then print you win.
Uh,
Rigged. Oh, people are accusing us of cheating, of gaming the system. Wow, why would we game the system?
why?
There's definitely some game.
What? How?
Oh no. A friendly reminder for anyone who might have popped in. Uh, we do not endorse any sort of gambling whatsoever. Merely a fun card exercise.
Like that, right?
Yeah. So that way, if it's 21, you win. Else, then
Okay.
it's fair. You lose. All right. You know what's great
Let's.
now? We're never gonna be able to recreate that.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Queen. Okay. Okay. First of all, this is way too fast. I can't read that quick. I need to put a
Oh,
timer.
so we are going to do. We are. I think we're going to intentionally slow down our game. Uh,
For to give the reader some time to read it, right?
So instead of being go, here's
Exactly.
your deck,
Just
here's your deck,
thrown in
here's
my
your deck.
face. Yeah, your deck is this, by the way.
We're just
Um.
gonna pause.
So
Also,
yeah. Sorry. Go ahead.
I was gonna say also, uh, it just so happens to uh, add some suspense as the dealer is picking up their cards.
You're not wrong. One. One.
Yeah. I
Should
think
we
we have
give card? Should we like?
no. Like
No,
when we
right?
get
Because we
no,
don't.
because that's giving them the card and it's printed in that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, and then during player turn.
Okay. Just like that. Like that, right?
Yeah,
And
and
then
then when the dealer is drawing as well
dealer's drawing. Uh.
in the dealer turn.
And dealer turn. Where is it? Here? Wait, no.
Above, like
Here.
yeah. So as they're while like during the while loop, maybe we like pause before we get the card or something.
Like put it here. No.
I think
No. No.
that's
No. No. No.
I
No.
don't know.
If get handled. No, not that. Gift card here. Print. Here.
Yeah.
One.
So basically, because if you look at the in the terminal right now, those guys who are watching along, where it says dealer stack 2 ace 9, 2 ace 9 5, 2 ace 9 5 2, it's like the dealer's drawing super quickly, but we want to add some suspense to the you know the
To the
whole thing.
game.
So the dealer draws nice and slowly.
We get to see, what we got. All right, so let's. Okay, your deck, 5 6 ace and something else. I want to hit 5 6 and okay, you win. Hey, we win!
Oh, we did it again. Oh, why? Oh, why?
We won.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh
what?
no.
Oh no, what?
So
Oh,
it gets the game over, right? It calls game over, and then it keeps going.
you win.
So after when we call game over, we have to stop the game. So if like
So
on line 95, I think we add underneath that like a return statement.
return.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Underneath that, we just return.
Just return itself. That's it.
Yeah, just to break out of the start game method.
Like that.
I think that should work, right?
Return. I think so. Yeah, actually, because then.
Then it because it went on and the dealer still drew even though we won.
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, here we go. 8-2. Okay.
What you gonna do, Adam? What you gonna do?
We have to hit. We can't not hit.
We have to hit. Oh,
Again? No.
oh, it's 20.
Stay.
Stay? What if you get an ace, bro?
No. Stay.
You won
Look at that.
your deck.
Oh, it never showed
It never showed the.
the dealer.
So
Oh,
I should
at
probably
the end, we
print
should
it.
print dealer hand right there.
Print dealer. Print.
Maybe we could put that to like a little like stats box or something.
You want to?
Like
Yeah,
put
let's do it in the stats. You're right. Let's do it here.
yeah. So we're just making a quick auxiliary method that just print stats.
Yeah, stat.
Oh.
Print stats.
All it does is just print the stats for you at the end of the game. It doesn't
Right.
actually do any logic.
So what we're gonna do here? We're gonna put
Maybe print like a bar.
print.
Or something.
Oh yeah, your cosmetics. What is it? 1 2 3 4 5
Yeah, I think
or 6?
it doesn't matter.
Stats. 1 2 3 4 5. And then we get print player hand. All right, and then put player cards in there. Then we could do print. Then we get to do the total value, right?
Yeah.
Total
Yeah.
value. Oops. Then it could put the
Get hand value
hand value of
of
player
player
cards. And then from there, we can do print dealer hand, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dealer cards. Print. Okay, I could just copy this.
Yeah.
I don't want to, strain myself. Okay, dealer cards. There we go. And then
That's it. We just call the method now, right?
we could just. I know you want your
Oh yeah, yeah,
ending.
yeah. You gotta have the
Come
ending
on.
bar. Should be
1, 2,
15
3,
dashes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That should
Yep.
be it. Yeah.
So now we have to call it under game over, right? Yeah, and at the very end.
Call under game over. Yes.
And
Here. Right? No, wait. Yes.
at the after the else.
After
Like
the else.
after the if else.
Here.
Yeah. Yes.
Print stats.
Basically anywhere we want to put the stats.
And then here as well. We don't
Yeah.
need these anymore. We could just do print stats.
Woo! Alright.
Whew. Okay.
2, 1.
Let's run. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my.
What happened there? Hold on.
Maybe we should clear. Why don't we
Whoa.
clear?
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Too
Okay.
much stuff.
My goodness. I don't know what
12.
just
Did we hit or
happened.
did we clear?
Hit. Let's hit. Ooh.
Oh, 16.
Ooh. 16.
Ooh. Why not hit?
Hit. Oh, we
Oh.
lost. There you go. Those are the stats.
So our total deck value is 26.
Look
And,
at the dealer.
we
He had
are.
11.
Look at that. Should we want to go?
So again, 4-7.
Hit.
Let's hit. So what is that? 12.
Yeah.
Let's hit again. Oh,
Oh, we got 21.
we got 20.
1.
1. Yeah,
Oh, they had 20. Oh my.
that was a close one.
Should we go again?
Let's do it again. Yeah. Ace 10. We got 20.
Oh.
Oh, wait, no,
Save.
that's 11.
No, it's a hit.
My bad.
Wait, okay, so in normal blackjack, that the ace 10 would
What?
be a
Dude,
be
we
a
keep
win.
getting 21. What is this? Dude.
Let's
Instant
go.
win,
Let's
dude.
game. If anyone wants to know how to win 21, watch this video. That's what we should do.
10, 6.
That's what we should title
Get
this.
16 on a hit. Oh my god, dude! We are hitting 21 every time. What is going on? We got 11. Hit.
Oh my.
12.
12.
Hit. 14. Hit.
Hit.
15.
15.
Hit. We got 20.
Stop, stop,
Stay.
stop.
Oh my god. We're destroying this dealer, man.
Wait, have we lost yet?
No! We haven't. Let's go
Oh,
again.
somebody commenting on it's actually rigged.
5 and a 7. What's 5 plus 7? I can't math right now.
12.
12. Hit. 14. Hit. Oh, we lost. We went over.
Oh.
But that's the game, though.
Yeah, so it works. We'll be
Yeah.
uploading the source code to GitHub
Mm-hmm.
soon.
But yeah, that is the game, guys.
The only thing we didn't add in is multiplayer capabilities and ace being 1 or 11. It's a little harder.
A little bit.
So
But,
since they need to hire a new dealer.
But yeah, that's the game, though. This is the
Yeah.
basic idea of it.
Are there any questions?
Yeah, does chat have any questions?
We finished it around an hour, so not too bad, I think.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Does chat want us to watch us play some more? Unfortunately, in order to stream like at super high qualities, we decided to put like normal latency, and so like chat is like 30 seconds behind. What would be really fun though is if we had it on like super fast latency and we could play as like we would ask chat if we want to hit or stay.
That would be cool.
Also, just a reminder, we do not in any way condone gambling or yes. Just
none of that.
Someone says, could you put spaces so that it's less cluttered on the console?
Could you put? Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We could do
like empty print statements, like blank
yeah,
lines and stuff.
So where can we put these? Print dealers. We could do like print here. right?
Yeah.
And then
Oh, no.
wait, no,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
no, no, no.
No, but let's put before the dealer card. No, no, no.
I think we need to do them here.
Yeah. Yeah. In the turn.
Print there. Uh, print there.
That should be done in two places, right?
I think
Oh, and
the
maybe once
stacked
after the beginning where it prints your deck and the dealer's deck and it asks will you hit or will you stay?
here.
Like um yeah, but after it prints the dealer's hand and it asks will you hit or will you stay?
Will you hit or will you stay here?
The first time it asked that. Like before the first time in this. Before it calls play your turn.
Here?
Yeah. There's one right there.
Should we put it in the gift card as well?
No, we can keep those together, right? And then we have space, and then poop, 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 poop. Maybe.
I don't know. Let's try it out.
Hit.
Like that? What
You
the? We got
win!
21.
Ladies
What?
and gentlemen, do
Wait.
you see our luck?
What? What? Dude, this is insane. So when I
You
hit.
stay. Why would you hit?
Oh, wait. I didn't realize it was 11. Wait. I
We
mean
would have
20.
won. We would have
20.
won.
We would have won.
We'll count that as a win as well.
I wasn't paying attention.
That was a win.
If you can recall in the
11,
tic tac toe, I wasn't very, you know.
15.
Oh, man.
Oh, let's try again. So
Six. Oops. That's
hit
6. Hit. We got
13. Hit.
13. That's hit. Why not? Oh,
Oh no. Oh,
close.
our losing streak is because Josh made that mistake, guys.
Now hold on.
7, 10, 12, 13.
That no, I meant to say hit, not the. Jesus, dude.
8, 10, 18.
Oh, I want to stay.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a
Sucks.
prime example of why you do not gamble because you will lose all of it very quickly. 13,
What the what? Where's my luck now,
7.
dude? Hit, hit. Oh, come. Wait.
That's
18,
19.
19. I better win this one. Really? By one? Dude. What is that, 11?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
god, I won.
finally.
Thankfully.
I think we need to stop before Josh gets
Yeah,
impatient.
let's let's stop here. So is there any questions that chat has or anything?
We have some people who are very confused as to how good our luck was.
Oh. Yeah. I'm confused as well.
As you can see, it disappeared very, very quickly. Yeah, that's the game right there. We'll wait for a little bit longer to see if there's any questions, but if not, I think that's all we're doing today, right?
Yeah, that's all we got. Oh yeah,
Uh,
announcements, dude. We
oh
got
yes, you
yeah.
want to do those?
Go for it. Go for it. You got it. You got
Oh,
it.
okay. So we're now doubling down on live streams. We'll also be doing a second live stream every week. I think Wednesday at 4.
Mhm.
Yes, Wednesday at 4. So, oh, someone says, can you access the code somewhere, or can I access the code somewhere? Yes,
Yes.
not now, but yes, we will
We
be
will put
uploading
that into GitHub, right?
GitHub, and we'll put a link in the description. So from now on, I think we're gonna upload all of the code resources from all the videos on the channel onto a
A GitHub
GitHub
repository. Yeah.
repository, and we'll have instructions on how to do that into GitHub for those of you guys who never used GitHub before.
Oh yeah, we could do like a video collaboration video. Ooh.
Josh and I in the same video. Oh,
That is insane, dude.
yes.
Also, check out the new episodes in Java and in Python. Python, we're
Python
talking
still
about method.
regularly happening
Yeah,
every Tuesday and Thursday.
for sure, for sure. Yep.
Someone says
So
poggers.
Poggers, cool beans. I still
Cool
don't know.
feed.
I don't know what that means. I'm not gonna
Oh,
lie.
come on, Josh.
I
It's
honestly
a
don't know that, but hey, that's all right. I mean,
it's a
I'm assuming that means
Twitch.
cool.
It's a Twitch streaming thing.
Ah, see, I'm not a Twitch
Oh, look,
streamer.
someone else says pog.
I thought at first you said pug, as in the dog.
Oh, uh,
So there's no one else.
yeah. But I guess I don't know. There might be some comments that come in. Not or talking about poggers. But do tune in to the live stream on Wednesday at 4 o'clock. I think.
Hmm.
What's our plan for that? I think Hangman, maybe.
Probably, yeah.
Probably
Hangman.
Hangman. Although, if we can figure out how to make a little Hangman graphic,
I'm sure there's a library somewhere.
gotta be a library. Always a library.
There's always a library for something. You just gotta look for it.
Yep.
Um,
So, if you guys have any suggestions, please let us know.
yeah, for sure.
What to make next? We're looking for more ideas all the time.
Yeah, man. And if also what language you guys want it in, because I
Yes.
know we've been doing a lot of Python. I don't know if you guys want to switch to Java as well.
Or if we want to do some like web browser stuff, we could even like make a website or something and show them how that works.
Yeah, that too. Maybe I could show them web scraping as well.
Web scraping. Oh no.
Hmm.
Real 2020 programmers use APIs.
Oh yeah, we could show you APIs as well. Web scraping
That'd be
APIs.
quite
I mean,
that would be quite fun.
whatever you guys want, or whatever you guys like would like to see in what language, let us know, man.
Yes.
Yeah, but
I think that's it though.
that's it.
I don't know. I haven't seen any more comments come in.
All right then.
Thanks for
Well,
progress.
I guess
Thank you
this
guys
is it
all
then.
for joining us.
Yeah, thank you guys. We'll be on Wednesday at 4 doing Hangman, I'm assuming, right?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll be doing Hangman, and then yeah, that's it. And make sure you watch out for those videos that are coming up as well. And
Yeah.
yeah, that's it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool. All right. Thank you, everybody.
All right. Take
Hope
care.
you
I'll push
enjoyed.
end stream in 3,
All right.
2, 1. Oh yes, I'm sure.